Hey YouTubers, I picked up this Harbor Freight welding table and got it all assembled. I've been very pleased with it. And while I was looking at reviews, I saw another table that's basically the same thing but by another manufacturer that is adjustable up and down, which I think would be very nice. My old table, I had adjustments on it so that I could lift it up so I didn't have to bend down so much. And so my intention is, I picked up some square tubing that just happens to be the right diameter to slide up and down in there. So I'm going to put some extensions on this and make it adjustable, is my plan anyway. We'll see. I've removed the top, and my intent is to cut two of these pieces of tubing, got a longer one, 25 inches long, and insert it in the tube and use this bolt here to hold the top in. And then this white tube, I'll cut this, we'll slide down inside this black piece, and we'll make it where we can put a pin in it, and that should make it adjustable up and down. That's my plan. I've removed the top and the cross brace that goes across here. Got it set on the chop saw and did a little blocking so that things are level. And I'm going to cut this tube. I've come down 8.5 inches. I'm going to cut both sides. Taking my brand new Harbor Freight weld stand and cut it up, but I think I'm making it better. And after I cut it, I took the grinder, ground all of those smooth on both sides. Now I have these two pieces I've cut off. I've ground those down so they're nice and smooth. And we're going to end up with that white tubing. And I'll get that cut. But it's going to slide down in there, and we're going to make this adjustable. I've now completed drilling 3 holes in the white tubing, so I'll have 3 positions up and down. This one is the fully up position, and the other side I have sitting in the fully down position. And now I'll put those black pieces of tubing up here on top and bolt those on. And again, I'm going to use the existing hole for the cross member that goes across between both. Going to use that to hold it, and it should be adjustable. Both of my extensions are now in the fully down position. That's where I'll store the table and likely use it most of the time. But we can pull the pins and we'll raise it up to there's the second level, and then we'll raise it up to the highest level. Now I'm at the fully extended level with both of the pins in. I'm going to go ahead and paint those white tubes black so everything looks nice, and then we'll put the top back on. Okay, my stand is now complete, and I have it in the fully extended position. Brings the table up to 47.5 inches, which if I'm working on a project and want to get right down close to it where I can see, or just don't want to be bent over if it's a long project, I can stay standing upright and it'll be a little higher. Otherwise, I do have the middle position and then the fully down position, which is where I'll store it. But I think it's a nice addition. If you watch my other videos, sometimes there's something that a guy needs that you can't buy, so I try and make one, or sometimes I buy something like this and modify it to what I think is better. So that's my idea. Thought I'd share.